Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in Murray, Utah, looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal, especially when considering replacement windows. Murray residents trust. Our expert window contractors specialize in providing top-notch window installation services, ensuring that every window is fitted perfectly to maximize insulation and reduce energy costs. Whether you're interested in energy-efficient windows or custom windows, our team is equipped to handle all your window needs. Energy-efficient windows in Murray are a popular choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save on utility bills, and many homeowners choose replacement windows Murray experts recommend. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Our selection includes double-pane windows and vinyl windows, both known for their superior insulation properties. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy a more sustainable and cost-effective home environment. Double-pane windows in Murray offer enhanced insulation compared to traditional single-pane windows and are commonly selected as replacement windows Murray homeowners prefer. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with a space in between, which acts as a barrier to heat and sound. This design not only improves energy efficiency but also reduces noise pollution, making your home a quieter and more peaceful place. Our window contractors are skilled in installing double-pane windows to ensure optimal performance. Vinyl window replacement in Murray is an excellent option for homeowners seeking durable and low-maintenance replacement windows. Murray properties benefit from. Vinyl windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them a long-lasting choice for any home. Our team provides professional vinyl window replacement services, ensuring a seamless fit and finish. With a variety of styles and colors available, you can customize your windows to match your home's aesthetic. Window installation is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows, particularly when upgrading to replacement windows Murray families rely on. Our Murray window installation experts are experienced in addressing a wide range of issues, from broken glass to damaged frames. We offer comprehensive home window services, including window glass replacement and window frame replacement, to restore your windows to their original condition. Trust our team to handle all your window installation needs with precision and care. Custom windows in Murray, Utah, allow homeowners to create a unique look for their property, including tailored replacement windows Murray homes may require. Whether you're interested in a specific window style or need windows tailored to fit unusual dimensions, our team can help. We offer a variety of custom window options, including different shapes, sizes, and finishes, to suit your preferences. Our window consultation services ensure that you get the perfect windows for your home. Window glass replacement in Murray is a cost-effective solution for damaged or outdated replacement windows Murray homeowners want to restore. Replacing the glass can improve energy efficiency and enhance the appearance of your windows without the need for a full replacement. Our window contractors are skilled in window glass replacement, ensuring a precise fit and a flawless finish. Whether you need a single pane replaced or multiple windows serviced, we have you covered. Window frame replacement in Murray is necessary when frames are damaged or deteriorated, especially in older replacement windows Murray properties may have installed years ago. Our team specializes in window frame replacement, using high-quality materials to ensure durability and longevity. We offer a range of frame styles and finishes to complement your home's design. Looking for top-notch window installation services in Murray, Utah? Our expert window contractors specialize in replacement windows Murray homeowners choose for energy efficiency and durability, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Whether you need double-pane windows or vinyl window replacement, our team in Murray is ready to assist with all your window needs. Upgrade your home with custom windows in Murray, Utah, including premium replacement windows Murray residents trust. Our window consultation services help you choose the perfect window styles and window measurements for your space. From window fitting to window glazing, we provide comprehensive home window services in Murray to enhance your home's aesthetic and energy efficiency. For those in need of window installation, our Murray window installation experts are here to help with high-quality replacement windows Murray homeowners depend on. We offer window glass replacement and window frame replacement services to restore your windows to their original condition. Our window maintenance services in Murray ensure your windows remain in top shape, providing long-lasting performance. Enhance your home's energy efficiency with window insulation and window sealing services in Murray, Utah, ideal for maximizing the benefits of replacement windows Murray properties feature. Our window weatherproofing solutions protect your home from the elements, while window caulking and window sash replacement services ensure a tight seal. Trust our Murray window contractors for all your window upgrade needs. Discover the benefits of window tinting services in Murray for replacement windows Murray homeowners install to improve comfort and efficiency. Our window screens and window hardware options provide added functionality and style. Whether you're looking for window styles in Murray or need assistance with window measurements, our team is here to guide you every step of the way. Choose our home window services in Murray for reliable replacement windows Murray residents recommend for quality and performance. Our window contractors in Murray are dedicated to providing high-quality window installation and replacement services. From window sealing to window insulation, we have the expertise to handle all your window needs. Experience the difference with our window maintenance services in Murray designed to support long-lasting replacement windows Murray homes rely on. Our window fitting and window glazing experts ensure a perfect installation every time. With a focus on energy-efficient windows in Murray, we help you save on energy costs while enhancing your home's comfort and style. Trust our window contractors in Murray for all your replacement windows Murray upgrade needs. Our window consultation services help you select the best window styles and window measurements for your home. From window hardware to window screens, we offer a wide range of options to suit your preferences and budget. For reliable window caulking and window sash replacement services in Murray, choose professionals experienced with replacement windows Murray homeowners depend on. Our window weatherproofing solutions protect your home from drafts and moisture, ensuring a comfortable living environment. Choose our Murray window installation services for quality and peace of mind. Our custom windows in Murray, Utah, include expertly crafted replacement windows Murray residents can count on for durability and efficiency. Whether you need window glass replacement or window frame replacement, our team provides exceptional home window services in Murray. Trust our window contractors for all your window installation and replacement needs.